This. I will grab all that, okay? Do this with it. Every indicator out there you can give me. Everything. VWAP, order flow, the dome. Give me everything you want. And then throw it in the garbage, okay? Because there's only one thing that really matters, and that is support, and that is resistance. Well, two things that really matter. So as I said on my live stream, you need to be a kind of a sniper. And don't get this the wrong way. I mean this as a metaphor, right? You need to basically pick your shots wherever that would be. Because when the market is going up and down and all around, we really have no edge in terms of the overall move, right? But when you do have an edge, you need to hold that trade with your edge, right? So for me, this morning was holding that. If that 74 key level held, and we did have a trap to the downside, as you can see there, I'm still long. I'm looking for a push much higher, but until that happens, I need to just sit tight and let the market do its thing. We're waiting for numbers that are coming out at 10 o'clock. So that's, let's see how that's going to end up. But yeah. I took it. We held that for over a half an hour until the numbers dropped. We were trading on the XFAs. Like I said, look at that. I don't need to show accounts because honestly, I don't really care if you believe me or not. But come on. Is this not the greatest strategy? Yes or yes? I don't know. And then people are going to be trading some others, ducking BS that, look, let me say this, okay? Without offending anybody, if you get offended, well then go check your emotions, buy a dog, so like that. You can talk to him, okay? I don't know what happened in here, what numbers or what, or I couldn't care less, okay? Volatility inside here, whoever was the buyer, whoever was the seller, you know, all those fancy things, indicators, VWAP. I will grab that. All right, here, I'm going to be a little bit dramatic with this because I have to. All right. Look at this. I will grab all that. Okay. Do this with it. Every indicator out there you can give me. Everything. VWAP, order flow, the dome. Give me everything you want. And then throw it in the garbage. Okay. Because there's only one thing that really matters, and that is support. And that is resistance. Well, two things that really matter. We got the trap to the downside here. It was live the whole entire time. I was live the whole entire time. Look at this. That trap, I said I'm going to be long 74. I get long after the trap. And then I said, we want to back this 98. I even put my ducking signature on it. On my stream, I put the signature. I said my signature is right freaking here that we're going to hit this level. Right there. Okay? And I was trading, I was trading, fucking, I don't need to say anything like that. But I held that with convictions. What numbers came out, I don't know, and I don't give a damn about them. How can I say that? We still ran up there to the, like, am I going to complain that we didn't quite get to 98? No. I still got over like 15 points on my trade. And we are going to go up there. But the emphasis of this video is throw all that crap out, trade support and resistance. Forget about the numbers. This is a rigged game. This is a already pre-programmed game. As I often say that this is the greatest game of ping pong and Jenga that you will ever see. Okay? It is beautiful. Have a good rest of your Friday. I'm going to go and enjoy my weekend now. And if you're trading the VWAP, keep on doing that. Thank you for watching. And most importantly, I'm going to thank God for just giving me the opportunity. And then I'm going to thank me for making me have the will to study, to keep on going with this, and for making me just so goddamn good. What more? What more can I do? I don't know. Peace.